Hey, what's up, sneakheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, you already know. Go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, what do we got? That what? That weekly
Weekly.
heat, baby.
Yes, sir. The weekly heat.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start it off, my brother. On December 8th, we do have another Jordan 8 collaboration with Soulfly. This is what it's called, Mi Casa Es Su Casa. So this is a totally different colorway than the first pair. Now I'm not sure because there's misleading information. Sneaker News has them releasing on December 2nd. Detroit has them releasing on December 8th. And I went on the SoFi website online to see if they had anything on there, but they have yet to load those sneakers up. So I'm not sure exactly which colorway is dropping, but be on the lookout if you want these. Again, this is a white version of the same shoe. This does feature predominantly a sail color overall. Does have hits of red. Does have 23 on that strap, on one of the straps on the right. On the left side, it does has that SF or SoFly. This again is a collaboration with Air Jordan. This is their second or third shoe they already done. But as you know, SoFly has a couple of lows out there that people didn't like, and they had the SoFi 13s, which I do have in my collection. And then now they're releasing these Jordan 8s. So they possibly could release in two SoFly 8s, or it could be one. So I don't know. But if you do know anything about these sneakerheads, let us know down in the comments. Again, this shoe comes out on December 8th with a retail price of $225. I do think this is very high for a pair of 8s, but I understand this is a collaboration. Doesn't have a lot of detail on it, but it is a clean pair of shoes. Like me and my brother been harping on these last few videos. Hey, why did they just drop this shoe in the summertime? So saying all that, I am rocking these. I will not be going for these, but I am rocking. I think it's a nice color. And if you're a Jordan 8 fan, go on and scoop these up, sneakerheads.
Hey, drop us a comment down below, if you rocking those or dropping those.
How about you, my brother?
Hey, it's a very clean shoe. Jordan Brand, if they were thinking to collab with that in the spring or in the summer months, made sense. But overall, it's a very clean shoe, and this brother right here will be rocking those. Rocking those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
Hey, so on December the 9th, we got those Air Jordan 11s, the Gratitudes. I'm a fan of the 11s, and you should know why, because I got these cool grays. You can see them.
Yes, sir.
You can see them. Yes, sir. I'm a true fan of the 11s, right? So, yes, sir. Y'all see them. Yeah, you want them both together? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see them. Yes, sir. Of the 11s, the Gratitudes, this was when MJ was out for 18 months and came back, right? What's so different about these here? Because if you look at the cool grays, right, and you see the 2-3 MJ, right?
Yes, sir.
But on the Gratitudes, when he came back, if you guys do remember when he came back with the number 45. Really like about these here is the tongue itself. I didn't know if you guys knew that, but if you look inside the tongue of the Gratitudes, there's a saying in there, it's quality basketball product created in gratitude by the greatest player ever, right?
Yes, sir.
This shoe here is a very clean shoe. Once again, Jordan Brand, I don't get it why you guys dropping this light colored shoe during the winter months, but then I get it as well because it is Christmas. So this is a shoe that I may look at just having in my collection. Asking price for that shoe is going for $230. I can see that as a reasonable price for that shoe. But overall, and saying all that, my brother, hey, I'll be rocking those. I'll be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below, if you rocking those or dropping those. What about you?
Well, you know I'm rocking those. I already got my personal size in. Jordan 11 Gratitudes. I am thankful that I was able to hit on the shock drop. So we'll have an unboxing for that, and we'll go in more detail over the shoe. But if you want these, there are going to be a lot of pairs out there. It does come out, the Jordan 11, if you don't know, every Christmas. So we'll do have a different colorway every Christmas. And so that's why they drop, regardless of the shoe color. This shoe has been released several times before. It has released in the colorway as the Concord 11s. It also coming out in the DMP Defining Moments pack. And this is that reiteration of that shoe, not the Concord, but the DMP pack. One of the biggest difference, if you notice, the Concords, they do have the black Jumpman, and the Defining Moments, they do have the gold Jumpman. And this Gratitude pair does come with that gold Jumpman, so that's where you get the difference, and it does come with that 2-3 in the back. So stay tuned for that, sneakerheads.
All right.
Yes,
hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Please.